Guys, today I will show you how to change your age on Discord, so first head over to Google, type in Discord report, click on the first link. Now just click on Submit a Request. This will guide you to the Submit Request page to fill in the form, so we need to sign into our account here. So let's click on Sign In. After you successfully signed into your account, click on Submit a Request. Now from the drop-down, select Appear on Age Updates Requests. So click on Update My Age Information here. Just put in your phone number, your birth date, your subject, I want to change my age, and here just add, could you help me update my equal age? And after that, confirm, check this box and add a file or screenshot. If you want, and just click on Submit, and your request will be sent successfully to Discord support, and they will get back to you for this age update request. And that's it, guys. If you found this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.